What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is about 2 weeks after I painted my wheels, and as you can see how good those babies are looking. This is an unexpected finish, but it came out awesome and I love it. I intended to paint it gloss black, but I had a bad batch of clear coat which made it turn out to be a matte finish, and man, does it look amazing. I mean, that matte finish, you can't go wrong. This is just a quick update on the painted wheels. Looking awesome. Try to get you guys a nice view. But man, those things, the paint job came out butter. I mean, absolutely butter. And again, this can be done at home. You don't need to take it to a shop and spend $1,000 to have them repair your wheel and paint it. You can do this yourself, guys. It's really not that hard. All you have to do is put in the work and buy a few materials. It's really not difficult. And you know, I'm glad I decided to paint the whole wheels instead of just repair it, because this is going to last years. Years. This job, it came out pretty darn good. All right, guys, so just want to give you guys a quick update on the paint job of the wheels. Looking pretty good. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We got more great content on the way. I will see you guys in the next video. Alex RT Life signing off.